Right, let's just finish up the Maloop said, right. I want to give you an example. Maybe before we start, we look at this. I just want to give you a recap. But if you initialize your variable, let's say x is your variable, x is equals to 34.567, right? That's your variable. If you want the program to print the type of variable, the data type, remember we've got various data types. We have strings, we've got integers, we've got tuples, we've got dictionaries, we've got lots of them. And you use the keyword type, right? Python chirungu and it type. What x? It will return the type with that. Float type here float. You might want to check kutikana yakadai ichi some of this string, you see. And if we use quotes here, right, this str, it means it's a string, right? If we use answer list 1, 5, 6, right, comma, means this is a list, right? This is a list. If we do this, means this is a tuple, you see. So that's the purpose of type. It shows the type. So in this example, we want to write a code that is going to loop through this. This is a list. The whole of this is a list. The only difference is it has got various data types within its elements. Like for example, it has got a tuple here, it has got a list here, and it has got a dictionary within. It's very possible with list. So we want this program to tell us each and every data type that is within this list. So the list is defined here. Tamura loop for variable name, which is item, in data list. It means we're going to loop through the data list, right? So to print type of, then item, we type the item. The program should write the item. Can I 1452? Panaba type you to 1452. Then is, we are concatenating our statements. Is, then the type of 1542, the data type of 1542, which is an integer. That's why you see Panaba and Tangana 15452. By digit, it's integer. Next one, 11.23 is float. Next one, my complex numbers, we write them using J in Python. 1 plus 2J is a complex number. Complex. Then true is Boolean. So it's type bool. Then this, remember, a string can have a single quote or double quotes. So this one is a string, a W3R. Then this one it's a tuple. This one is a list. Then the last one in curly braces is a what? It's a dictionary. Remember, my dictionary, they've got key value attributes. This is the key, this is the value. Comma, next key value. Right? Next, we want to look at if you run this, I ran this several times. Then Panapa, we have got a dictionary. We want to look through the keys only. The keys. Talk about print number keys chat, which are these. We don't want to print the values. So if you want to write a program that does that, this is how you do it. We are still using our loop for. Then our variable key in color. Color is the dictionary. Then print key. It is going to print only the keys. Just the keys, not the values. Right? Vice versa, now we want to print the values. We have to do something up and it. Now we have color. It's the same dictionary that we have. So you have to use this function. Dot values. The function dot values will go and return all the values that are within the dictionary. That's the purpose of the values function, right? So takuti for value in values dot color dot values. Tapuna color the function is going to retain all the values. Then we print the values. That's how we get to print red, green, and orange. This is basically how we do it. So I think we are done with loops. Ukangoziva 4 yako watodya basi. And you should always remember that after the statement wapedza, you have to write your full colon. Then you indent. How do you indent? You just press enter. Then utanga kutaipira paiswa kesa yako. That's how you do it. Right? You have to pay attention also. Python is case sensitive. So that's another thing that you need to be careful.